These days we are discussing about formal letters. Yes, and under the purview of formal letter, three types of letters come. One is a business letter, and under the business letter, placement of order and inquiry letter that we have discussed yesterday. And second type of letter is letter to authority, and third type of letter is letter to editor. Very good. So we have practiced here letter to editor, we have practiced here business letter, inquiry letter. Today we shall practice to write how to write a letter to authority, SDO, municipal commissioner, mayor, district magistrate or any officer. So here some lines will be changed. Format will be same, but lines will be changed. Introductory lines. For example, letter to editor, we have discussed that we should write through the columns of your esteemed daily. I would like to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities and the general public towards the problem of. इतना तक आपको लिखना था, मैंने आपको बताया था. फिर लास्ट पैरा में, सेकेंड पैरा में, बॉडी का सेकेंड पैरा में मैंने बताया था आपको, आई होप यू वुड वॉइस दिस सिवियर प्रॉब्लम इन योर एक्सेल 9 कॉलम. नो, बताए थे ना, टू टेक एन इनिशिएटिव इन दिस रिगार्ड. इसमें वो लाइन चेंज होगा, ये वाला लेटर टू एडिटर वाला और लेटर टू अथॉरिटी वाला, ये लाइन चेंज होगा. फर्स्ट वी write the question, you will take the screenshot. Write a letter to the municipal commissioner MMS complaining him about the problems caused by stray. Stray means moving here and there. Stray cause. You are Lalit or Lalli living. आप देख रहे हैं सेंटेंस को जोड़ने के लिए हम लोग कॉमा का यूज करते हैं. कमिश्नर कॉमा कंप्लेनिंग, लल्ली कॉमा लिविंग. सेंटेंस को टू सेंटेंस आर जॉइंड बाय यूजिंग प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. लिविंग एट G56, गली नंबर 56, बसंत विहार. Yes. अच्छा, उसमें दिए थे लेटर टू एडिटर में. अब हम दे रहे हैं किसी ऑफिसर को, मिनिस्टर कमिश्नर को. ठीक है. Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. This is the question. How many participants have joined?
29.
Words are visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, first, sender's address. गली नंबर 56, बसंत विहार, न्यू दिल्ली. This is sender's address. Today 26 May 'Date'. I am writing the points. Okay, you will not write it. Okay. Receiver's address, giving one line. The municipal commissioner no use of punctuation mark, and address of municipal commissioner is not given. So you will write here municipal corporation means Nagar Nigam. Municipal corporation, Nagar Nigam. Address is not given. You will apply your common sense. And what will be? Address is, my address is New Delhi. So the address of municipal commissioner would be also what? New Delhi. This is receiver's address. Now, which point will come? Subject. Subject should be short and catchy. Complaint. Regarding. अब हम स्ट्रे कॉज के खिलाफ में कंप्लेंट तो नहीं कर सकते हैं ना, उस पर एक्शन लीजिए. कंप्लेंट रिगार्डिंग.
Sir, we will skip one line after receiver's address.
No, not needed. But if you like, then it's okay. If you feel that there is zigzag, hodgepodge, then you may leave. Complaint regarding problems caused by. I shall start from here. Stray cause. Not from here, no full stop. Now salutation. Here the body will start. Body will be changed. This is what I want to say. Okay. You will learn these lines by heart. You will memorize. Okay. Through this mine. Did you see? Lines are changed. Through this letter of mine, I would like to invite your kind attention towards the fact and genuine problem of. You have to write all the lines in the letter to authority. Now see what problem is given to you. Genuine problem of stray cause. Who lines will be written in which tense?
Simple past.
Simple present tense. Because you are facing the problem. If you want to give one example, if you want to cite one example, in that case, you will write one or two sentences in simple past. Who move. Now I will rub out. That's why you take the screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Okay. Highlight the problem so much the attention of the concerned authorities should be drawn to this problem. काफी बढ़ा चढ़ा के लिखना है. अरे इस प्रॉब्लम को आपने ठीक नहीं किया तो पता नहीं क्या से क्या हो जाएगा. Who move aimlessly here and there in the market. You have to highlight the problem. So you imagine what should be written and what problem you face. They either stand or sit in the middle of the road most of the time. The passers-by get frightened though they have urgent walk. Generally, stray cows are seen where? In the market, vegetable market. Generally, they are seen in the vegetable and fruit market and housewives get scared due to their long and pointed horns. Enough problem is highlighted. But here you cite one example. What happened 2 days ago? What happened 5 days ago? What happened a week ago? Okay. So this would be written in which tense?
Simple past.
Simple past tense. Yes, very good. Yesterday, a huge cow lifted one school going child and threw him, simple past, into the drain. Okay, problem is highlighted enough. Now concluding body para, and you will write all these lines when you write the letter to any authority. Okay, in the circumstances, if you have line space left here, no problem, but a para would be changed. In the circumstances, I would request you to look into the matter personally and take. You have in your mind that when we were writing the letter to editor, the lines were different. You have to memorize these lines and take prompt and appropriate remedial action to set things right in this regard. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, अगर आपको अथॉरिटी को लिखना है तो यही लाइन आप याद कर लेंगे, लिख लेंगे, बिकॉज द वर्ड्स ऑफ द बॉडी वुड बी काउंटेड 120. Now the letter is finished. Which point would come? Which point would come?
Complementary clause.
Complementary clause. Thank you. Now subscription. Yours. Don't use apostrophe s. This will be blunder. Yours faithfully. No use of punctuation mark. Format has once again started. In the body you will use punctuation mark. Your name is what? Deepak and Deepti. What was the name? Lalita and Lalli. Lalli, yes. Lalli has submitted the homework. Now. अच्छा. Okay.
Sir.
It means the person whom I was indicating. Yes, that's all. Now the homework. Take the screenshot. HW. एब्रिविएशन में आजकल जो है पंक्चुएशन मार्क का यूज नहीं होता है, तो ऐसा हैबिट हम लोग डेवलप करेंगे. राइट अ लेटर टू द सुपरिंटेंडेंट of police complaining about the increasing crimes in the city. You are Deepak Dipti living at GN 5 Adarsh Nagar, Bangalore. BANGA, very critical spelling of superintendent. Okay. So the first para of the body which I have written in general, you will memorize and copy down those lines, and you will highlight the problem. What is happening these days in your city? The golden chains from the neck of the women are being snatched. There is looting. Looting is also English word, adopted from Hindi, of cash by the bikers. In this way, and you cite one example in past tense. Only 2 days ago. Okay, only 4 days ago, only a week ago. You will write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Lalli, I want to know when the homework will be submitted.
Sir, I haven't submitted yesterday's homework because you haven't submitted.
Yes, Shruti, tell me. No, I thought that you will submit after this session in 2022 when the board exam will be over. बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये फॉर्मल लेटर ही आपको तैयारी करनी है. लेटर टू एडिटर, लेटर टू अथॉरिटी, इंक्वायरी लेटर, बिजनेस लेटर, उसी में से एक आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ आई एम लीविंग द क्लास. हैव यू एनीथिंग टू आस्क?
No, sir.
ओके,
Please submit. Take screenshot.
टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. हाउ मेनी पार्टिसिपेंट्स? गीतांजलि
37.
ओके. May I leave? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.